I shocked a lot when my MacBook made a strange sound. I thought it was really broken now. But luckily it now starts. Let's log in. One moment. One moment. I have to insert my password. Now it's working again and there's an error message. One moment. The error message, it says my computer is restarted because of an error. Very strange. I don't know what's happening, but luckily it's now working again. Thanks for watching. My MacBook Pro and Samsung Ultrawide HD monitor are working very good together without problems for many months. So I don't know what is happening exactly. I'm very happy and satisfied with my MacBook Pro and Samsung Ultrawide HD monitor. I'm not sure what this problem has to do with my monitor or my MacBook. Hopefully it's just a software problem that easily can be fixed. I hope to find out the cause of this problem soon. Thanks for watching.